Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Organized by Darcy, where we take the simple and inexpensive and make it elegant. Today's video is part 12 of the 12-part series, and I'm so excited to share with you, and I can't believe it has been 12 weeks since I started to clean and organize my home in form of a video so that you could see. So, let's get started on week 12. Now, what I'd like to do is divide week 12 into a 3-part series so that you can get a grand tour of my home, and that way you won't be missing anything. So before we start, however, I'd ask that you take just a couple of seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seconds, and press that subscribe button below so you'll be notified when the new videos are uploaded. Let's get started. Let's start with the entryway, and as you walk in right through the front door, this is what you'll see. Of course, this is a chair slash bench that we use to take our shoe off and sit down on our way inside of the house, or on our way out we can put our shoe on there. And this is the very front of the staircase here. Now as we move over to this area here, this is where we have this mirror that you can look at yourself on your way out or look at yourself on your way in. And this little table here houses our pitches and some flowers, of course. So right over here, we have a lot of potted plants because we like plants, and these are all real plants. So we enjoy having them here, and they have been here for a long time, most of them, that is. And then we move over here to this little area that has candles and some orchids, and of course more plants here. And let's go right up here. The windows are very, very tall, and as you can see, the flowers are in bloom. Seemed like the last time I did a video like this, the flowers were also in bloom, so it shows very well, I think. Then we move right down here. Because the windows are so open, there is a lot of light, and sometimes the light that shines in is so much that it's overwhelmed the place. But this is a little coffee table here, and of course the light, even at this end of the day, the light is very bright in here. So I'll just show you what I can, and of course if it comes up well, then that's great. This is the little area that we keep some family photos on the piano here, and this is another chair here. This is a table right here that we have pictures of our family and more potted plants, and then we're moving right into our dining area here. Now the dining area is an area here that is pretty much living and dining, formal living and dining right here. And so this is the dining area. And of course more plants, lots of potted plants. I like the potted plants, the real ones, of course, and so they're really easy. I'm not sure why, but they're really easy, the ones inside, to keep up, and so it's not an issue. So we have quite a few inside the house. And one of the videos I did, not recently, but a couple months ago, had to do with this DIY. It's still here because I haven't had a chance to redo it, but it's one that we did with at home with what is an old world home, and I still have the things here, so that's it. Now we're moving right from the dining area that you've seen here. We're going into the kitchen, and that's perhaps where we'll stop, because this is used to be a, or it should have been, a broom closet, but we've converted it into a wine cellar. So it's right between living and dining and the kitchen. And then what I'll do in part 2 is I'll do a video on the kitchen area, and that will be a video all by itself. So this is living and dining going into the kitchen area. So I'll stop the video here so that we can just enjoy the view right here. I'm not going to explain everything because there's so much to explain. It's just a tour. I've cleaned the home. I've enjoyed doing that, and I just wanted to share. It has been 12 weeks of cleaning and organizing, and I just wanted to share that with you. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I certainly enjoyed putting it together for you. And it has been 12 weeks. I've been cleaning and organizing my home, and I'm so excited to share that with you. Come back next week to watch the kitchen tour, and of course, we'll have some other areas of the home that we'll be doing as well. So again, if you like this video and you like what you see, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, make your comments. And of course, you know I reply to all the comments that I get. I never miss a person who sends me a comment. I always reply. So I look forward to hearing from you, and I look forward again to seeing you in my next video. Goodbye and good luck.